How to delete Instagram account permanently without password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about can we delete our Instagram account permanently without a password? So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So first thing first, in order to usually delete an Instagram account, we head over to bottom right corner of the screen and then go to the menu bar at the top right. After that, go to account center and then personal details. After that, account ownership and control, and you'll be finding an option called deactivation or deletion. So when you head over to your account and tap on this delete account and tap on continue, we usually need to re-enter your password. So if you're wondering on how to do that without entering a password, first thing first you need to understand is Instagram requires you to have your access to your account's password to permanently delete it, because they want to make sure it is really you making the request, not someone trying to delete your account without your permission. So if you have forgotten your password and you don't know your password, you can simply go ahead and tap on this forgotten password instead, and then follow the on-screen prompt and easily reset up your account. And once you have regained the access to your account, you can just go ahead and follow up the method that I just showed you and delete up your account. So that is it. That is the way you can delete up your account for now by following up those methods. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.